Well, I think saying that on its own, but also making it a daily part of your commitment to each other. One of the exercises in my book is at near the end of the day to ask your partner, "Is there any place I didn't come through for you? Or is there
Ooh.
any place I missed you today? Or is there any place you felt like you had to hide and pull back from me?" Offer it with openness, offer it with the idea of, as much as possible, I'd like to try to clean that up right now. Like,
Mm.
I'm sure there's places I didn't come through for you today. So how can I come through now? It doesn't change the fact that the person's disappointed that you didn't remember they had the meeting, but it does change the fact that you clean it up. And then what I have my clients say is, and where did you feel the most loved, supported, desired, wanted from me today?
Ah.
And would you like to feel it a little bit more right now?
Ah, yes, girl.
So you
I
clean
love
up the muck.
that.
Yeah, you clean up some muck, you draw a little closer, and then you feed in love. And then what I tell my clients is, doing this every day, you cannot have one day where you say, my partner doesn't try to clean up the gunk and my partner doesn't try to come through. So that lie
Wow.
of you don't love me, you don't really care, you're selfish, it all falls away. Now, there's going to be moments where we all are for sure, but then you bring it up. And then you're not banking it and banking it and banking it and then blowing up at them at the end of the week because they forgot your birthday for a week. You tell them that day.